Hi guys, I'm Manpreet. In this video, you will learn earring making using polymer clay. We can earn money by selling these earrings on Amazon and Etsy. Making of each earring costs you less than 25 rupees and you can sell them at the price of 1000 rupees and more depending on your design. I'll be listing links to the product from Etsy where such items are being sold. So let's get started. Here I am using polymer clay make and bake. It costs around 400 rupees on Amazon. Check the link in bio. You can create more than 20 pieces using one kit. You will get 10 different colors in this pack. First, take a piece of black clay and roll it. Add some white clay to it. Roll again. Here I am using a paint bottle cap to cut out a circle. You can use jewelry cutters if available. Make a hole using a pin. For smaller circles, I am using a cap of lip balm. Again, make a hole. Similarly, make some more designs. You can make many designs using this clay. Once you are done with the designs, bake them in preheated oven at 130 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Remove it carefully and let it cool. Once you are done with baking, join pieces using jewellery ring. Add earring stud using this adhesive or glue gun. If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.